Welcome back to Thea World, and thanks for watching our tutorial here on building your app. So we are making this series for launching your startup, and part of the series is building your app, right? And basically here I'm in the InvisionApp URL, this InvisionApp website. It's an awesome application to get started in building your app, right? Now on the Trello section here, last tutorial, we created the 2 user stories, right? So this is the 1 user story for the customer when he just lands on our app, on our website. Over here on InvisionApp, I want you to go to invisionapp.com. As I said in the previous story, I want you to create a free account. And then I want you to open another URL and type in sketch. Okay. Oh boy. Type in sketch. And I want you to download Sketch, and I want you to install it. It's free. If you don't have a Mac, you can't do that. If you have a PC, you can just go and use Lucid Charts. Just type in Lucid Chart. The reason why I'm not comparing them, the reason why I'm saying Lucid Chart is because I'm using Sketch just for the purpose of developing the flow, not for design for now. All right, but I suggest you go buy a Mac. It's gonna help you. I mean, I'm being biased now, but yeah, you should buy a Mac, actually. It's probably the best $1,200 you'll ever spend if you buy a MacBook Air, and that's all you need. You don't need anything bigger than that. Believe me, a MacBook Pro, trust me, you don't need anything. If you know how to maintain your Mac, you don't need a MacBook Pro. Just get a MacBook Air, and that's all you need. Okay, now I'm going to close this, and I want you to go to Lucid Charts, and you can follow up using Lucid Charts. Okay, this is not rocket science. It's pretty much all basic stuff, right? So when you go with the free trial here, I want you to download it. You're going to have it for 30 days, and then it's worth every penny if you pay the $99. But you don't have to. Again, you can use Lucid Chart. Okay, now you can also use Adobe Illustrator if you're good at Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to close this. Next, you need to open the URL again, another URL, another tab, and type in sketch resources, sketchapp.resources.com, and hit enter. And then what you want to do is you want to click on free sources, and you want to type in user flow diagram, and then click search. And then what I want you to do is click on this and download this. It's absolutely free. You can use it, but if you feel like spending money, you can always buy I can show you another video on how to get premium diagrams, and you can get a bunch of different things. Guys, everything is out there. You just got to find it. So I'm teaching you how to look for things, how to find things that you need, okay? So once you download this, I'm going to download it. I think I've already downloaded it, but I'm going to download it anyway. So once you download it, obviously, you're going to have Sketch installed, okay? I want you to have Sketch installed, and I want you to click on Show in Finder, all right? Once you find it in the Finder, okay. Once you find on the Finder, just double click on it, and it's gonna extract itself, and then I want you to double click on it again. Now you want to get rid of all the grid because it's just clutter. I want you to go to Command A, and then I want you to click on View, and then go to Canvas. Now the reason why I selected Command A is to select the artboard, okay, which is basically Command A, select everything. I click somewhere over here, I go to Command A, I select everything, click on View, go to Canvas, and click on Show Grid to unselect the grid. Okay, great. So now we have this, right? Now remember, we're going to start using these elements to make it easy for us. Of course, you could use your own. It's so easy to make your own. It's super simple to make your own, but I'm just showing you guys in the shortcuts that you could take. And this is not necessarily a shortcut, but it's a good practice to use things that have already been developed. There's absolutely no reason to make your own if these things are available. Now, if I can take this, I can click on it, and then once I click on it, as you can see, the whole rectangle is selected, right? Right. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Command C. Okay, I'm going to come over here. We'll do things a little bit more professionally in a bit, but I just want to get this done with less than 10 minutes. I'm going to click over here. I'm going to go to Command V. All right. So obviously it's pasted down here. So I'm just going to select it and then drag it over here. And what I'm going to say, obviously this is exactly what we need. It's the landing page. So the user lands on the landing page, and then the reason why this is a rectangle, and the reason why this is a these are the two most important ones. This is a diamond. I'm going to select it. I'm going to copy it. The reason why this is a diamond And the reason why this is a rectangle is not because they look pretty, but the reason is because a diamond tells you that they're going to have to, it's either yes or no, okay? It's an action of the two, all right? So more think of it as a true or false, okay? So when you see a diamond, okay, think of when you go to an online store, you're about to go pay, or you pull out your credit card, you pay. So the application there, it's saying, hey, if the credit card is valid, okay, then is the credit card valid? Yes, then do this, process the payment, or right, or is the credit card is the credit card approving it? Yeah, is the credit card valid? Process the payment. Is the credit card not valid? So instead of saying the credit card not valid, is it valid? Yes. Is it valid? No. So it's a true or false. So is it valid? Yes, it's true. Is it valid? No, it's not. So there's two things that can happen out of this diamond, okay? And this is why I'm going to copy this arrow here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to just resize it here, okay? So we're going to have two statements, which is it valid? Yes. Or I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to just go to, after I paste, I'm going to hold the command key. I'm going to go down. Oh, shift key, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to rotate this. Rotate, transform, flip. Whoops, didn't happen. Okay, so I'm just trying to find the fastest. Okay, right. Oh, flip. Oh, that's. Okay, I haven't done this for a while. All right, that's fine. So, Command Z. All right, that's cool. And transform, edit. I don't want this to take up my time. I don't want to like be showing because you know what? I haven't even transform. Oh my gosh. First of all, let's detach it from symbol. And how about that's cool. You know what? I'm going to just delete this just for the purposes of this tutorial. I really need to get this done as fast as possible. I'm going to copy this here. Okay, return to instance. Oh my gosh, it's not going to be 10 minutes. Okay, paste it here. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to hold the shift and option key, and I'm going to resize this so it scales properly. All right, okay, cool. I just want to make my point here, okay? I'm not here to show you guys how to use Sketch because you're going to do this on your own time. So over here, oh my gosh, okay, hold on. Option, there we go. Cool. So is it valid? Yes. So insert text, yes. Is it valid? Yes. Is it valid? No. Copy, paste. Now command. What have I done? Copy, paste. Okay, so it's not valid. I'm gonna go to no. Okay, cool. So now you understand what I'm saying. Is the credit card valid? Yes. Is the credit card valid? No. Now we're not doing credit cards, obviously. We're gonna go back to our user story. And remember, and I'm gonna remove this. Oh my gosh. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say, oh my God. Detach from symbol. Okay, detach from symbol. All right, and detach from symbol. Okay, so everything is detached now. Don't worry about it. If you get a template like this, you have to detach things from symbol, and sometimes you have to attach them to symbol, create a new symbol or whatnot. Now, remember on Trello, we have this part here. As a user, I can create an account. Okay, now before all that, now I want you to copy. I can see my name and avatar in the top right corner of the login. I'm gonna copy that, okay? I'm going to come back to Sketch. And what I'm going to do here is, so the user lands on a landing page, right? A human being, somebody lands on a landing page. And over here, when someone lands on a landing page, there is no, it's not like the diamond. It's just a rectangle that says, look, the user lands on a landing page. It's not like if he does this or if he does that. He just lands on a landing page, okay? And then after that, once he lands on the landing page, I'm going to copy this arrow and I'm going to paste it here. I'm gonna move it over. So if he lands on the landing page, and I'm gonna copy all this and I'm gonna move it over here. Okay, is he logged in? Okay, so user logged in. User logged in. Okay, if he's logged in, yes. Okay, do this. If he's logged in, no. Now remember, earlier I came over here and I'm gonna copy it again. I'm gonna copy, okay, paste. So I'm pasting over is I can see my name and avatar on the top right corner of the homepage after login. So if I'm logged in, then I'm gonna copy this rectangle because this is something that has to happen, okay? Because if I'm logged in, I have to see this. It's not about is he logged in or is he not logged in. So I'm gonna copy all, I'm gonna actually copy this and then I'm gonna delete it. Paste it, okay. Now I'm gonna edit this text because there's no point of saying I can see. Okay, name and avatar on the top right corner of the home page. Why are we saying this again, guys? Is because it's in the user story in Trello, as you guys saw here earlier. It's part of the plan. So name and avatar on the top right corner of the home page if I'm logged in. If I'm not logged in, I'm gonna take this over here. I'm not logged in, okay? I am not logged in. Sorry about the clicking sounds. Show, okay, login on top nav bar and show create account. Okay, there we go. That's it. So there we go. That's part of our flow. Now I'm going to stop this video right here because I want you to actually do this and understand what I just did. Now on the next video, I'm going to continue on working the rest of the user story here and creating those diagrams, which they're not going to look good. They're going to be just for the purposes of another developer to see and help you in building your app, to understand what's going on so you can go ahead and build it. So thank you very much for watching this. I hope this really helped you. Don't worry about the craft plugin if you see it over here. But for now, download Sketch, install Sketch, use the free trial, make an account with InvisionApp, and download Sketch Sketch resources. The URL I showed you where to get this template, okay? Okay, see you on the next tutorial, guys. Thanks.